In this video we will show you the full unboxing and first boot up of our new super crispy LG 4K HDR 10 display. Okay, so guys, this box is really heavy, I can't quite even lift it, and it's massive, and I'm super excited about that, for this amazing unboxing, and I wanted this monitor for so much time. Wow, this thing is amazing. Oh my gosh, let me give you a better shot. Wow. This is stunning. I didn't think it was so heavy to lift. Look at this wallpaper. LG UHD monitor for 27uk850. This is 27 inch. This is really the best monitor you can buy right now for the money. My goal is to make a setup with the iMac I have here. This one and another one, so a total of 3 displays, and it will be really overkill for editing, and I can wait to get the second one, so a big like if you want to see them. It's HDR 10 actually, it's IPS, of course 4K, it has a USB Type-C hub with other 2 USB 3.0 and it's AMD FreeSync. So let's open it up. Here we go. So this is the box. So here we have the stand, and this is a really sturdy material. It's metal actually, and we have a little bit of cable. So I really hope we get a USB Type-C cable. So we have the power strip. Oh, and here we go. We have the USB Type-C. This seems to be like a cable manager. Okay, I'm really happy because we get both an HDMI. I'm not sure this is a 2.0, but I'm really hoping for that. And then we get the display port. Then we have some instruction. We have a CD. I mean, I don't have a CD reader, so I want to read the instructions. Okay. Wow, this is really heavy. It's power source. It's really heavy. This is quite a downside because I wanted to wall mount this one, and having such a heavy brick will be a problem. And here we have the actual pivot. So this is really the thing that with the USB Type-C port behind the monitor distinguish this from the other models because they don't have the pivot. So if you want, you can buy the model with the pivot without the USB-C, but to me this is not really a wise thing because USB-C is the future. Really good build quality. This part is plastic, but it's really heavy, so inside there is a really sturdy metal part. And this is the Visa mount. You can use the pivot or you can use the wall mount. I'm going to try both. Wow! And let's go with the... Okay, this is quite heavy actually, imagine it smaller and lighter, but here we go. Okay, so, oh, it's really beautiful. I think it's really worth the money you spend on this. And here we go. It's actually quite thin. It's not like the LG LED TV, which is really thin, but wow, really matte finish. And here you see the LG branding logo and all the ports, which are really, in my opinion, the drive for this monitor. And it's really wide, and I really like it. It's quite sturdy and heavy. And we have all the USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 labels because you don't want them. Wow. And the stand, which seems to be quite easy and fast. Okay, now let's lift it. Let's use this protection. Okay. Okay. So now I try the unlocking with the Apple Watch and just unlock. So the MacBook Pro, the Apple Watch and this display are really wonderful.
Also, the first boot up of the iMac was super fast. Just plug in the Thunderbolt port and the HDMI on the display and it just worked. So in the final review we'll feature a lot of the themes we talked about in this first unboxing, like the 4K HDR with the MacBook Pro and the USB Type-C hub performance, the 4K with the 27-inch 2013 iMac, AMD FreeSync and gaming performance with the PS4 Pro, and then in general HDR, image quality and so much more. So you should definitely stay tuned to check it out. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, a like will be super appreciated, and go really 4K HDR on the subscribe button for more videos like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!